My people, I want to especially wish you all compliments of the season. How is your Christmas going at your end? Anyway, if you're not sitting down, please find seat and first sit down because it is raining billions. In case you missed our video where we showed you how Igbo billionaires stormed their different villages this season, they were accepted in grand style. They stormed their respective villages in grand style. If you missed that video, kindly go through our channel to see where different Igbo billionaires stormed their villages. Now, this Christmas season, Igbo billionaires did not come to play at all. Luxury, generosity, success, and community impact everywhere you turn. So, this is Obi Cubana, and he has just gifted himself a brand new 2026 black badge Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Yes, you heard that right. A brand new 2026 black badge Rolls-Royce Cullinan, valued at a staggering 700,000 US dollars. That's over 1 billion naira, depending on the exchange rate anyway. Big rewards for big moves, if you ask me. And guess what? This is not just any Cullinan, it's black badge, luxury on another level. Hey, our reports say it's the first of its kind in Africa. Could that be true? Power, prestige, and presence all wrapped in one ride. Hell, in this life, I will never be poor. Now, here's the interesting part. Enviable Logistics, the one and only, handled the delivery. Clean, premium, and professional. From port to destination, everyone was done with class. When billionaires move, only trusted hands deliver. But while some people are enjoying luxury rides, others are spreading impact. Let's talk about Chukwuemeka Ituma of Enviable Group. This Christmas was not about flashy cars for him alone. It was about giving back. Chief Ituma touched down in style, but moved straight into community service. Food items shared, support giving, smiles everywhere. This is the part people don't talk about enough. Success with responsibility. What we are seeing here is something very powerful. Wealth, a vision, community consciousness. This Christmas actually showed us that Igbo billionaires are not just enjoying success, they are circulating it. So my people, what do you all think about this Obi Cubana's latest addition? And should more successful Nigerians follow the example of giving back like Chukwuemeka Ituma? Drop your thoughts in the comments.